We all know that clutter creates disorder, stress, and chaos in our homes, but can it affect our bodies? Research shows that people who struggle with clutter were 77% more likely to be overweight or obese. I can personally attest to this with many of my clients, past and present, also struggling with their weight. Our stressed out systems experience raised cortisol levels, which promote weight gain. But listen to this: stress plus elevated cortisol levels tend to cause fat in the abdominal area. This has been referred to as toxic fat, which eventually is related to the development of heart attacks and strokes. If you have a cluttered kitchen, you're probably not able to make healthy choices when preparing meals, but rather grabbing something fast like chips. A cluttered home also results in escaping the mess and eating out more often. I get it. When it's this overwhelming, it's easier to turn a blind eye or give up on getting organized altogether. So whether it's your kitchen or any area of your home, the first step to get organized is to declutter. That might seem obvious or perhaps oversimplified, but if you've been struggling with clutter and losing weight for years, you know it has not felt simple. That's why I'm giving away my #1 process called the Declutter Game. In this free 5-minute video, I lay out my simple method to making decisions on all your clutter. So no matter what room it is in or what size clothes you're wearing, you can finally relax at home, reduce your stress, and feel physically and mentally lighter and healthier. So, to recap, #1, clutter affects more than just our homes. It can have a detrimental effect on our bodies over time. 2, the first step to overcome this is to declutter. 3 is to get my declutter game now. It's fast, easy, and fun, and teaches you how to get organized. Click the link around this video and don't let it sit in your computer without doing it. It's only 5 minutes to watch, and isn't it worth it?